here's what's awesome about the new Triumph Scrambler 400X. It's made in India by Bajaj to sell all over the world. It makes 40 horsepower and the power to weight ratio is insane. They're running a brand new 398cc single cylinder engine which is liquid cooled. अरे यार इसका फिट और फिनिश तो देख लो यार, इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. एक एक चीज़ जो है, एक एक डिटेल ब्यूटिफुली डन. एंड देन व्हेन यू लुक एट दिस ट्विन एग्जॉस्ट, such a global looking motorcycle. Check out those USDs. This gets 10 mm more travel than the speed in the front and 20 mm more in the rear. It can be totally loaded up to take anywhere.